It's been a career journey, of course, right? That's why I signed up initially, right, to change a career. So it's been that, right? I've fully shifted into doing this full time and earning money, becoming a coach, and just loving what I do. I don't feel like I've worked a day since I've said yes to myself and just doing this full time. I've just loved every single day.
And from the session we've just had, the questions she's asked me have been so powerful and have made me feel as though, yep, that's why I'm here. Because it's made me realise some of the stuff that I've been doing that have been repeat patterns that actually I get in my own way. So I think when I go home, it's not just that I'll be earning more money because I'll have probably put the prices up just a little bit. I'm going to be earning more money because some of the stuff that I coach my own clients in, I'm going to be doing much better.
Well, I'm just really grateful. I feel like it's expanded my view of what's possible for me. And you know, I remember hearing ads for things that are like, oh, you can triple your income. Well, my income tripled. So it's real. Now I know that like that can really happen. And it's also too, I think, about just finding those mentors that you connect with.
The last part of the program, which really was helpful to me, is the business and marketing, of course. I had a business, I ran it, but I didn't have the need for marketing, for social media. Again, I had an invoice, I was able to go charge. So now to tie my skills and bring everything into a marketable solution that I can offer to people was really what captivated it and made me make the decision. It was everything I needed rolled in a ball of wax. And then the last part of it was to be able to do it in 6 months. Of course, when I left my job, I left income, and I knew that if I was going to go through a big change in my life and career, that doing it in the quickest fashion to get me up and running and making income again in a way that I wanted to and that felt right for me was key.
I was good at making money but not keeping it, and now I've been able to create a lot of money coming in, and I've gotten over my fear of making money. The results are amazing, and you can see the results I've had after 9 months making $10,000. So I doubled my monthly income.